Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Pistol Challenge Part 2 and Hayden needs my help. Not for the first time. Okay, I'm not coming to you. No, I need to reboot one more person. You can help me with that challenge. What? I think he's on the 0 point. Can you see them? Yeah, I am. Well, I've got to reboot your ass again. Oh wow. Fuck you. Oh my days, I am missing all them shots. Oh, go away with the shotgun. Oh, I got the pistol. Okay. Okay, we'll do another. I'm gonna do another match of just the pistol, guys. Sadly, Hayden betrayed me, and obviously they had a shotgun, so I can't really do anything. What? I don't do anything. What do I do then? I don't always. Challenges do I have? Teammate come top 10 more times. So I promise I drop 4 SMG kills. Easy peasy. Okay, right. Full threat mode. Come on, do my dance. That hurt my thingy. Okay, I'm going to the Tank and Dom Professional 1 house. What do you mean it's a curse? It's not so bad, it's a brilliant house. I'm not, you can go wherever you want. Yeah, but I got dual pistols. Anyways, you go to the orchard, the risk reveals, or sorting, or the 0 point, or hunters. You don't have to go to Colosseum. And a green tack, great. No, I can't buy the jewels. Guess I'm just gonna have to have pistols, normal pistols. Sorry, George. I will love you. sad moment for me. Right, someone's here and they pick up that tack. I am so dead. I'm allowed one set of heals, guys, and I've got a med kit. My favourite gun. Oh, green leather. This is definitely making me regret this challenge. I might start even do this challenge. Oh, regret it. Pardon me. Oh, that shockwaves here. Oh, I've got answers. Hayden, what guns do you have? Just tell me if you have an AR and shotgun or anything like that. Got them to give you my ammo for them. Are you sure? But I'm only got pistols. .84 AR, 20 shotgun, 12, Oh, blue leather. why is it when I play this for the pistol challenge I find good loot? So really you want to go to a hotspot. Yes it is, every time me and Will go there's thousands of people back there. It doesn't matter for me. Every match I go there's always people. No. Yay, truck. My poor truck. I'll be over here, okay, that one. I'll get shot for the truck. How dare they? Oof, oof. Thank you, Chuck, for delivering with me here. Another shotgun. Another shotgun. Uh-oh. Great, great. Bloody shotgun versus pistol. What am I supposed to do? Thanks, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want any more Fortnite challenges or FIFA challenges, just comment them or subscribe. Follow my TikTok. I can't remember what the name is. Bye.